Today's house we love is a historic 4-story townhouse set in a private courtyard within walking distance to shops, restaurants and cafes in the ancient town of Ormea. Ormea is in the region of Piedmont, very close to the border with Liguria and about an hour from Imperia and the Ligurian coast. It's about 130 kilometers from both Turin and Genoa at an elevation of 730 meters, or 2,400 feet. This bright, clean, 150 square metre home has many unique character features, including high ceilings and French windows and doors. Of the 6 bedrooms, 3 are on the 3rd floor, with 2 having access to wrought iron balconies with panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and roofs of Ormea. This property is in exceptional condition and ready to be inhabited immediately. The electrical and plumbing systems were redone in 2005. Around the same time, the windows were also upgraded to double glazing with PVC shutters. But what we honestly love most about this house is the bright, spacious attic and the 2 ground floor cellars, which could be transformed into additional living and sleeping space, or some type of hobby studios. It's on the market for a truly amazing €65,000 and is being sold furnished. If you're new to Live Your Dream Italy, we find and share 100 exceptional Italian homes under €150,000 every month, including 12 here on YouTube. Here are some of the recent collections we've shared with our members. We'd love to have you join us, and it's just €6 a month on Patreon. If you like this home, we have a lot more favourites in this area we'll be sharing soon. A link to the Realtor's original listing and contact details can be found in the video notes below.